Hey guys, welcome back to yet another Joe and Julie exclusive fast food review. Today we are headed to Smashburger and we are trying their brand new
Twin City Burgers, so stay tuned.
Okay guys, we are here and we are parked. We do have our Twin Cities burger and we got a side order of smash tots. Now, the burger cost $5, which I think is an exceptional deal. I had a $1 coupon and the tots were $2.59 for a total expenditure of $7.16.
Okay,
Not bad.
it's not bad.
So for a family of four, you're talking $30 right off the bat. Okay, guys, let's get down to it. I have our bag, and I have our smash tots. Say that 5 times fast.
Oh, I don't think so. Oh, they smell really good. You can smell the seasoning on them. Let's try them.
They're garlicky.
Mm-hmm. I really like these.
They're really crunchy.
Not greasy.
If you look at the box,
Well,
all the grease has been absorbed
good, but
by the box, and not you.
that's good.
All right, guys, so here it is, the main event, the Twin Cities burger. And also, I have no napkins. They provided us no napkins. Now, first impressions of just grabbing this burger is that it is a little bit small. Now, remember, it's $5, and I did get $1 off. The footprint of the burger, to me, is a little bit on the small side as what I've seen before at Smashburger. So, anyway, let me take you guys in for the much-deserved and detailed Smash Close-Up. And here it is in all of its fine glory, the Twin Cities burger from Smashburger, which ran us a total of $5, guys. And it's got a nice onion bun, which I could smell right from here. I got a nice, fresh-looking piece of lettuce. I do have some cheese underneath, tomatoes, mayonnaise, and the patty. And I do see it looks like some dressing underneath. And doesn't that burger look really, really nice and crisp, guys? All right. We're going to give this burger a shot and tell you exactly what we think. Okay, guys. The lady gets the first bite. As always, it is drippy. It does feel really nice. There you go, kid.
All right. Wow. Wow.
All right, guys. First bite, wish me luck. Salute.
Thank you.
So, right off the bat, first impressions, very, very juicy, ooey gooey cheese, really fresh onions that are sort of caramelized.
Definitely. You can taste the Swiss and the aged cheddar. Nicely melted too.
I really do like it, and I do say it is a definite knock it out of the park hit. Have another bite.
On apart.
Now, just some things to note. It is a messy burger. I do not like it when you have all of this like lettuce overhanging. It's just something that is not attractive to me. I would prefer to make it, a little bit neater. But anyway, let's see if I can at least get this piece back on track here.
That's slippery.
Slippery when wet. It is indeed slippery. The caramelized onions look really, really good, and it smells nice. All right, second bite. Wow.
I think the onions on the bun too really pulls it all together. Nice touch.
Yeah, the onion bun is really, really good. Nice and firm. Stands up well to all the juiciness that you're getting.
Yeah, from the caramelized onions. Yeah, it's really good. It's great. I really, really like that.
So what do you think?
A 9. I'm going to give it a 9. It is messy to eat, but because all those juices and flavors you're getting, it's worth it.
I do agree. It is a definite 9. Knock it out of the park. Smash hit. Very, very juicy. Very, very fresh tasting. I like the fact that the burger itself has a little bit of a crust on the outside, and when you bite into it, it really, really tastes good. Very, very juicy. Caramelized onions are absolutely awesome. The mayonnaise, the tomatoes, it all really works. The only downside for me was the lettuce was a little bit overhanging, but that is no big deal. But 9+ it is.
Definitely. I agree.
Well, that was our review, guys. We're going to sit here and finish this burger. You guys take care. Until next time, take care. God bless. So long.